Alright guys, back at the house. We are trying to straighten out the door right now. We're not quite sure where to start, but I think we're going to try to get this piece straightened back out a little more so we can at least open it, because how messed up the latch is. It's just super tight and caught up in there. But these latches are probably also going to need some help too, because they don't do nothing. So we're straightening this out, and then hopefully we'll be able to maybe throw a pry bar in there and open it up a little bit. It was working a little bit. I don't know.
God,
it's too crunched.
It is.
Alright guys, we cannot get this thing open whatsoever. It's just too jammed up in here. We're gonna pull his truck winch in here and hopefully get a good hook at this and drag it back into here.
Yeah, it's gonna work.
Sort of stay away from it. It's gonna slip off. You moved it quite a bit.
Mm-hmm.
You opened it up.
Want me to open it?
Yeah, alright guys, we figured it out. She opens now and closes. We still got a gap here that we're gonna end up bending back and massage this, but I am gonna still use this door. The latch it ended up getting forced locked. Yeah, if you guys can see up in there, the lock one, that one right up top was forced lock. So we unlocked it and it pretty much popped right open. But now it's good. Gonna do a little massage therapy here and then call her a day. Good. Yeah, at least it still opens.
Yeah.
You want me to hold it?
I don't want to bend this out of shape again.
Yeah.
Still works. Yeah.
She's gonna be ugly. That part will have to go in.
I think this is supposed to be
That's supposed to sit behind the outside lip.
here.
Yeah. Making a little more progress. Like that?
Little slam bam body shop going on here.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, that's mint.
Well, doesn't this have to get pulled back out this way a little bit? So we'll try. You won't even notice when we're done. And then hit that again.
Get a little RC car paint, should be good as new.
You can hear all the glass just popping around in there. Yeah, we're gonna try to get this lift as close as we can to the door. And then I think we're just gonna do some tack welds on here because this will never be normal again. It'll be something like that. I mean, it's gonna be absolutely hideous from outside, but
Well, yeah.
we're not out here to look pretty.
Just leave it dirty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Throwing some tack welds on it.
Little paint.
What? What you need? Want me to hold the door?
No.
No gloves? I like it. It's getting hot on the other side of it.
Yeah.
That's alright.
Want to start beating on it again, or
Yeah.
it's almost
That's fine.
acting? Oh, that might be why.
Oh yeah. Clean your tip.
Missing a light. It's probably good.
Yeah. It's probably alright, and then we can start forming it some
Put some
more.
more shape into it.
We got it pretty good though. I mean, it's not straight whatsoever, but
No.
the outside doesn't look like a tree kicker no more. And then it's got a pretty good gap when it's closed because the cab is shoved in so far. But we're getting there. That ought to do her.
Yeah. It doesn't like that spot.
That's alright.
There.
Alright. That'll work. She ain't pretty, but it'll open and close. I'll need to find a window eventually, but honestly, I'm not too worried about that right now. I just wanted this big old smashed out spot out. Got a whole bunch of glass down there from the window. We got a little bit down there too. Alright guys, a little update on the door situation. I think we got the door about as good as we can get it right now. We're not body guys. We're off-roaders, so it's gonna happen again. It's gonna get smashed in again. This is as best as we're gonna get it. We are gonna try to pull the cab out a little bit to close that gap because this will catch on stuff, catch on rocks, trees, and it'll probably end up just happening again. I think we're gonna weld something here or up in this area and try to pull it out this way because this gap is not too pretty. It got shoved in way far, and I'm just worried about pulling it out because of how crinkled this is. It's gonna be really tough to get that out. And yeah, I could go in from the inside a little bit, but there's a speaker there, and that's the only little hole inside that I'm able to get anything into, and it'll only pop out right this area. I don't care too much about that. I'm more concerned about this area down here. So we're gonna try to weld something down here, see if that works, see if we can pull it out and close this gap. But right now the door opens and closes. We will end up probably open it, put my knee into the door, and try to bend the door frame in a little bit closer so we closer to the cab to cover that gap and actually get it to seal properly. But that's where we're at right now.
It looks straight to me. I think so.
I'm surprised that welds are holding.
I think that's there. I mean, I think it's.
I hope so, because I'm hurting. Yeah, it is there.
It's moving, huh?
Hey, why don't I get the back here? And let me.
You hold the handle and he worked the slide?
Yeah, there you go.
There it goes. That's the way to do it. That's pretty good right there. That's
This nut came off
oh yeah.
down there. Oh, both of them did. Doug go flying into the shop.
I was trying to brace. I think it does hurt the back of your thing.
Yeah. It's like that handle needs to be thicker.
They put some rubber on it or something.
Yeah.
A water hose. It hurts right there too.
Yeah, it does.
That's
I don't think it's made for the level of shit that this thing's been put through.
probably not. Well, make it worse.
Got it.
That's it, brother.
Yeah, that's it. Holy smokes.
He just wanted to be on the YouTube channel. That's all it was. Didn't you, girl? Oh, yeah. That's what they call me on. Girl.
Heck yeah. Alright guys, This is our finished product. I think we've been working on it for about 3 hours now, but this is the best that we're gonna do. It's gonna get hit again. It's not bad. We ended up pulling this out quite a bit. The neighbors came over and helped us pull the cab out more, and then straighten the frame up here so it actually seals. But now there's not a big gap up there. Sealed pretty tight. Honestly, it's probably better than what it was before I did this to the door. I put some strip caulk covering these holes a little bit. That'll get all blended in with mud and dirt eventually. I think this thing deserves this sticker after all. Slapped right about right there. Trail 15. Thanks again, guys. Thanks for watching. Fun little wheeling day out in the winter snow out here. We'll keep on wheeling and keep the videos coming.